Hello everybody, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That's my website where you can go to find out more information about Forex trading and how to get started. So this weekly analysis, this is the week of February 13th through the 17th, and this is where I share my weekly analysis of the trade setups that I've got. First, we'll have a look at the news, and then be sure and stay to the end because I'll share with you something that is the future of Forex trading. Okay, let's get started. Here are the high impact news items that we have coming out for this upcoming week, starting on the February the 13th through February the 17th. You can see there's a little bit of news each day this week. So just check forexfactory.com for your local time zones. I won't go through each one of these items. Just be aware that each one of these high impact news items has the potential to cause a lot of volatility with currencies and commodities. So be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local time zones and be aware of all of these various news items that come out each day. All right, let's have a look at the trade setups that I've got planned for this upcoming week, all of the pending orders for gold and the major currency pairs. Starting off looking at the DXY chart on the 4-hour chart, and the DXY is the US dollar index. It's the US dollar compared with 6 major currencies. And we can see that the dollar started to strengthen a week ago Friday. The good news that we had coming out on the U.S. economy, but last week it was pretty flat. It just went sideways. In fact, it started in this range right here on Monday, and then finished about where it started for the whole week. So there was some up and down movement, but generally it was trading sideways in a range. But however, this big move up that we saw the week before last has turned all of the major currency pairs bearish, and also gold is bearish. So let's have a look at those currency pairs and see what pending orders I have coming up for this week. I have a sell limit on the Euro US with a pending order and entry price at 1.0715. Just needs to pull back, retrace, make a correction back to this blue line here, which is 1.0715, and then a sell order will execute. Then the odd US, also a sell limit with the entry price at 0.6940. It closed below that, needs to just retrace, correct a little bit, come back to the pending order at 0.6940. The New Zealand US, also a sell limit with the entry price at 0.6325, where the blue line is. So it's below that now, just needs to correct a little bit and come back to 0.6325. The pound US, also a sell limit, and it needs to come back, pull back, make a correction, a retracement to 1.2090. Entry price for a sell limit on the pound US, 1.2090. And nothing on the USD CAD. The USD CAD has been bullish, okay, with the strengthening of the US dollar, but there was some really excellent news that came out on Friday for the Canadian economy, and that caused the USD CAD to drop dramatically. So on the long-term chart, the day chart, which I use for analysis, the USD CAD is neutral. And as you know, if you follow my videos, when anything is neutral, for me, that is no trade. So there's no clear direction. The US dollar went sideways all week, as I showed you on the DXY chart. So for this particular pair, the USD CAD, I prefer to wait and see whether it's going to continue a bearish move or it will turn around and start to continue its bullish move, which started last week. So no trade on the USD CAD. And then finally, to finish off with everyone's favorite, gold. Okay, gold has turned bearish. All right, we can see that easily on the 4-hour chart. It's also bearish on the day chart. And so I have a sell limit with the entry price at 1885. So it needs to retrace, pull back up to this resistance line here at 1885, and then a sell order will execute. You see that's been bouncing off of that all week long. It's just been sideways in a very, very tight range. So be cautious. Gold is not something you can hold for a long, long time. All right, just let it retrace back to 1885, take a sell order, and then if you can get 50 or 100, 150 pips, that will be a fantastic trade. I continue to get inquiries about robot trading. So if you are frustrated with making losses in your trades, perhaps robot trading would be the solution for you. The robot trades without emotions, trades just based on the parameters that you set in the program. I've been using robots for about 5 years and they are fantastic. So if you'd like more information about robot trading, just go to my website, prosperityrisingea.com, or you can contact me directly at any of the contact links that I've given below this video. Okay, thanks again for being here. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you get notified every week when I make one of these weekly analysis videos. And I'll see you again next week. Thanks again. Bye-bye.